ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni. Mambake sengiyavala before you start your day. The book of Romans chapter 8 verse 37. In all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us. Mambake ekseni sengiyavala ekseni. Kukhona konke lokhu thina singaphezulu kwabanqobi. God is expecting us to win. God is expecting us to conquer. Kuona wonke ama challenges esiyobhekana nawo nesiyodlula kuona, we need to understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu is expecting us to win ngoba we are more than conquerors. Singaphezulu kwabanqobi, asifani ngisho nabanqobi, but we are more than conquerors. Now you need to understand ukuthi some of the challenges that we face and that we encounter in life, they are not our stopping stones, but they are our stepping stones. Kwezinye isikhathi sike sifikelwe izimo sitshela ukuthi they are there to block us and stop us. Lezo zimo ezisifikelayo, they are not the stopping points, kodwa they are just the stepping stones. Kwezinye izimo ziyafika hayi ngoba zizosimisa zizosivala, kodwa ziyafika ukuze sigibele phezulu kwazo bese sinyukela phezulu. Now you need to be able to read and understand ukuthi lesi simo esingifikele emsebenzini, it is not there to stop me, it is not there to block me, but it is my stepping stone. Isona engizogibela kuso bese singiphakamisa singise phezulu. uJosepha wayi understanda kahle lento ukuthi noma abafowabo bengamfuni, noma abafowabo bemfaka emgodini, noma abafowabo babemdayisa, ukumdayisa kwabo bemnyisa eGibhithe, it was not a stopping point for him to become great. Kodwa ukumdayisa kwabo bemnyisa eGibhithe, it was a stepping stone. Khona kwamphakamisa kwamenza washeshe wafika ekubeni ugovernor nokuba prime minister waseGibhithe. Okunye ungabona ngathi kuyakuvalela, kanti ikhona okudingayo to elevate you, ikhona okudingayo ukuphakamisa. Abakuvukelayo nabakuvalelayo uNkulunkulu usebenzisa bona. Enganilithi izwi lakhe, all things work together for good for those who love the Lord and for those who are called according to his purposes. It's not the stopping point, it is just a stepping stone. Ngoba we are more than conquerors. We are not just conquered, kodwa singaphezulu kwabo. Ama challenges that we face afike lukuzok elevator, afike lukuzosinyusa to promote us to the next level. Siyawadinga ukuze sigibele wona kube yiwa siyisa phambili. Kwesinye isikhathi uyawadinga nalabantu abangakufuni ngoba ibona abazokuphushela enkosini. Kwesinye isikhathi ama challenges abayiwa abayi-pushing force asiphushela siye la esifuna ukufika khona. Don't worry, the Lord has not rejected you. Don't worry, the Lord has not forgotten you. Those things that you are facing, they are your stepping stone. You are about to come back. You are about to be elevated. Vuka namhlanje kuseni and understand ukuthi ayikho into yokuvimba, kodwa konke kuyokuphakamisa. Zibuze lo mbuzo ukuthi le challenge engifikele izongifundisani, ngabe izongilungiselelelani, ngoba kufikele ukuzokubulala, but it's time to shape you, kuyafika to prune you, kuyafika to mold you and prepare you for the next level. It is just your stepping stone and not your stopping stone. Vuka manje uyonqoba, vuka manje uyophumelela. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.